Joe with Preferred Coating Solutions. Today we're here to epoxy a basement floor. Unfortunately for these clients, they had a flood. They didn't want to deal with this situation again, so they decided to install an epoxy floor. Most homeowners believe that epoxy is just for industrial floors or exterior floors, but it really is great for your residential home. Inevitably, you're going to get a flood at some point with most homes, and this is the best solution to protect long term. Why is installing epoxy in a basement floor good for you? Epoxy is durable, water resistant, it won't come from underneath and it won't go penetrate through, and it's very strong and has long-term hold. All right, so I'm gonna get going. I gotta go help Evan grind the floor. I'll see you when it's all done.